Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy Melania meme coin on Gate.io in 2025. So Gate.io, of course, is one of the most trusted exchange in the crypto space, offering access to hundreds of coins, including Melania meme coin. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced trader, this guide will walk you through everything, step-by-step guide on how to buy it. So make sure to stick by and let's get started.
Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience.
First, we'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Once you open it, go to the URL section. You can just go and type gates.io, hit the enter button, and you'll be taken here. So click on this first link. Once you do so, you should be taken to the home screen or main screen. For me, I'm already logged in. But for you, if it's your first time as example, you'll be taken here. So you'll have to click on login in the top right corner to log in into your account if you have an account. If you don't, click on sign up instead to create an account. And as you can see, you can use Google, Microsoft, Telegram, Apple, or MetaMask accounts if you don't want to get through all the bonus steps of creating or even logging into your account. So once you're logged in, you can simply just go and deposit some money. So first of all, if you don't have any money in your account, make sure to deposit some. As you can see, there's a lot of options. So if you have crypto assets, you can deposit on chain, like Gates code or Gates code deposits. Or if you don't have crypto, you can just deposit from your credit card or debit card or bank transfer or P2P trading. It's up to you. Then if you go here as example, let's just go to prices, or normally we should go to trade and market. So let's just go normally to trade and go to spots. As you can see here, we're going to look for Melania. So Melania token, as you can see, we'll find here Melania USDT. Once you click on it, in here as an example, you access the market of it. So as you can see, Melania USDT. Of course, now we can just go and buy or sell. Of course, we can set up some bots. It's up to you to understand about that. So for me, I'll just go the normal way. So of course, there is here limits, market, stop limits, advanced. Again, up to you to go and understand that and read about it. So normally here, you'll have to go and enter the amount of Melania that you want to buy. So, example, let's say you want to buy 100,000, 10,000, up to you, 50, 500. Or you can enter the amount of USDT that you have, and it will be calculated automatically of how many Melania coins you will get. So, as an example, you have 100 USDT, you'll get like 20.7 of Melania. Once you enter that, of course, you can just click on buy. As you can see, for me, I have insufficient balance because I did not deposit any crypto in my wallet. So if I click on that, as you can see, they'll tell me, oh, you'll have to deposit or buy crypto or transfer from another wallet, as an example, if you have. So make sure to do so before coming here. I don't know if there's let's just look as an example for Melania. Maybe you can switch it as an example instead of USDT to USDC or something like that. So let's just look for Melania. So it seems like you can switch it with Try. I don't know what's that token. So it seems that you can switch it just with USDC. Of course, if you have other tokens like USDC, Solana or something like that, make sure to go and trade it to USDT first. Then you can come back here and buy Melania coin. As simple as that. And of course, once you buy it, normally Gitio wallets will keep your tokens in the Gitio account for easy access and trading. If you want to have an external wallet, for example, for some long-term holding, transfer your Melania meme token or coin to a secure wallet, like maybe Trust Wallet or on a hardware wallet to minimize the risk of hacks. Other than that, I'll just give you some tips to and manage as example risk. So first of all, you'll have to follow the Melania meme coin social media and get your announcements for any updates. Gitio will let you set alerts for price change, so you'll never miss an opportunity normally, and only invest what you're willing to lose, especially with meme coins, as they can be highly volatile. So you probably, or not gonna say probably, but you might lose all the money that you invested in Melania coin. So keep that in mind. And yeah, that's basically how you buy Melania meme coin on Gitio in 2025. If you find this video helpful, Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more crypto tutorials and tips. And if you have buy or bought Millennium meme coin yet, let me know in the comments down below. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you around and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.